We are VOSKER, a global leader in remote area monitoring.
At VOSKER, we are a team of innovators who redefine what's possible.
We don't see obstacles. We see opportunities to push ourselves to go further.
We don't just break barriers. We develop new technologies to surpass them. And we keep pushing.
Our cameras are designed to keep you safe and secure in any environment, even when there's no Wi-Fi or power available.
At VOSKER, we're more than a security solution. We're taking you further.
Our wireless security cameras help you keep an eye on what really matters. Wherever you are!
Our first VOSKER camera was sold in January 2019. Today, the company has more than 800,000 active users.
We've been recognized by the Globe and Mail as a top-growing company 3 years in a row.
Our products are available at more than 7,700 points of sale in almost 50 countries.
At VOSKER, we're not just a security brand. We're a community committed to creating a safer world. Join us and help spread the word.